Annyeonghaseyo, Mary.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, na-eskwela ka karon day? Wala. Ayun naman.
May klase.
O may klase. Anong po ni imong kuan? Imong kamot? Nakay chicken fox? Ah, tungod na sa kainit no. Daghan na mo diri nag chicken fox. Okay. So, sakto kaayo kay you have fruits 500 pesos worth. Good for your skin. Patay mo na inday ha. Nyakaw na nimo para mo kuan ng imuhang panit ng fruits. Okay. And you also have 300 pesos worth of snacks for you. Okay. And that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag ni. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, paayon na ha. Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Rosie.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good afternoon. Na eskwela ka? Okay. Ganin na gapon, absent man ka no? Ano man absent ka gapon?
Kuan sakit ang ulo.
Sakit imong ulo, mo nang ni rest ka for one day. Yan, eskwela ka karon. Okay. Unya, wala na sakit imong ulo. Okay na ka. Sige. So, there is someone Korean grandfather who wants you to be happy. So dapat magmalipayon ka inday ha. Dili na ka mag-uol. Na problema, dili nimo ko ano nang problema. Dapat happy lang gid pirmi ha. Okay, and study hard.
Fighting.
Okay. I'm here to deliver your 25 kilos of rice. And you also have one big milk, 20 pieces can, sardines. And you also have 10 choco pies. And Jollibee, 8 pieces bucket, 2 box. Okay. And lastly, you have 5,000 pesos. Okay. And that is all from Muji Gining.
Mochi gini. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay. Happy ra? So happy na ka ha? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good evening, Teacher Nisan.
Good evening, Teacher Shala.
Teacher Louis handed me some money, Teacher Nisan, and this money came from Big Churinim. 4,000. For you to replace the you spent today for the two children, Cheryl and Sharon.
Big Journey, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Ako ay si Thank you for the chokes to go. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo. I'm Rian. Mga unday ka, magatag anay sa maayong buntag nim. Kami po chicheria o kapupay. Maayong buntag nim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida. Mga unday ka ninyo. Musutan, chokes to go.
Annyeonghaseyo, this is Sivana card. This is Sivana Savings Mary.
Annyeonghaseyo. Kim Byung Nim. Thank you to my Sivana Savings. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Nga na ba, yung pag pinasas imong manoy nga, badlong